Imagine every picture, every video, every game you see on your screen. All of them are built from tiny dots of color called pixels. The GPU's job is to draw those pixels, millions of them, again and again, every second. It's the artist of your computer, calmly painting frame after frame faster than the eye can follow. While your CPU thinks, the GPU creates. The CPU might handle text, numbers, and logic. The GPU focuses only on what you see: colors, light, shadows, and motion. A modern GPU can process thousands of tiny tasks at the same time. That's what makes it special. It's like an orchestra of miniature workers, all painting different parts of an image, together in perfect harmony. Inside the GPU, there are hundreds or even thousands of small processing units. They are called cores. These cores work in parallel, meaning they don't take turns like a CPU does. They all work together at once. Think of them as artists in a massive digital studio, each one coloring a small section of the final image. The GPU also has its own memory. It's called VRAM, short for Video Random Access Memory. VRAM stores textures, colors, lighting data, and geometry. It keeps the information close, so the GPU doesn't have to ask the rest of the computer for help all the time. More VRAM means the GPU can handle larger, more detailed worlds. 4K videos, complex 3D models, or entire virtual landscapes. All of it lives temporarily in VRAM while you watch or play. GPUs have been around for a long time. In the 1980s, computers used simple chips for displaying graphics. They could only show a few colors or basic shapes. In the 1990s, companies like NVIDIA and ATI began building dedicated chips just for graphics. These early GPUs changed everything. Games looked smoother, colors looked richer, and the idea of 3D graphics became real. Over time, GPUs evolved from small helpers into powerhouses. Today, a modern GPU can perform trillions of calculations every second. And now, they don't just make games look good, they also help scientists simulate the universe. Doctors analyze medical scans, and AI models learn how to think. The GPU lives inside your computer, usually plugged into the motherboard. Most modern GPUs connect through a slot called PCI Express, or PCIe. It's like a high-speed highway between the GPU and the rest of your system. The GPU also connects to your monitor through cables like HDMI or DisplayPort. That's how the pictures reach your screen. And inside, the GPU draws power through thick cables from the power supply. Some models need extra connectors because they can use hundreds of watts of energy while working hard. But when they're idle, they whisper quietly, their fans slowing down, glowing softly in the dark. Every time you open a game, watch a movie, or even move your mouse, your GPU is translating numbers into images. It understands how light behaves, how shadows form, how colors mix. It simulates reflections, glass, fog, and texture. Some GPUs even use technology called ray tracing, where the computer literally simulates beams of light bouncing through a 3D world. It's slow, but it's beautiful. Every reflection you see, every sparkle on a blade of grass, it's a quiet moment of math. Billions of calculations happening silently, so you can enjoy a world that feels alive. But GPUs are not only for gamers anymore. Scientists use them for research, engineers use them for simulation, artists use them for 3D design, and now artificial intelligence, AI, models like ChatGPT, Claude and DeepSeek are trained using GPU-S. The same power that draws pixels on your screen can also teach a computer to understand language, recognize faces, or create art. GPUs are the beating heart of modern computing, quietly humming, glowing, working day and night in data centers across the world. Even when you close your laptop and go to sleep, GPUs somewhere else in the world are still working. They simulate the weather. They render movies. They power the internet. The next time you see a glowing PC case with a small fan spinning inside, remember, that's a little engine of creation. Calm, constant, patient, just like you, breathing softly, drifting deeper into rest. Thank you for listening tonight. I hope you learned something new about GPUs and that you feel a bit more relaxed, a bit more connected to the calm rhythm of technology. Sleep well, and remember, even computers dream.